Hi, my name is Julian Herrera. I'm coming to you live from Ontario, California, and I'm from the Collins College class of 2018, and today I'm going to show you how to make a bed. So the first thing we need is the most important, the fitted sheet. No one wants to sleep on just the mattress. And the second thing we need is the flat sheet. This is what we like to wrap ourselves in because sometimes the comforter gets too hot. So the last item is the comforter. But because I'm at my house and I don't like comforters, I'm just going to use a blanket. So the first step what we have to do is we have to put on the fitted sheet. Now it's very, very important. There's many different sizes of beds. So I have a full-size bed. So we're going to make sure that we get the full-size fitted sheet. We're going to tuck it in here. Make sure all sides are tucked in. Okay, first step complete. So the next step, the second step, is to put on the flat sheet. Same thing, lower it out on the bed. So we're going to stretch it out there. Let's see here, one moment. We're going to fix it, make it look very presentable. And there we are, and that's the second step. Okay, and the last step is the comforter. I use a blanket instead, so I think the blanket will be just fine. So we're going to go ahead and take the blanket. We're going to put it on the bed. The next step is we're going to pull the blanket back so it looks nice, and then we're going to tuck everything in. Tuck it in so it's nothing's hanging out, it's nice and presentable. Everything's nice and tight, and it's presentable for the gift. And the final step, the easiest step, is putting on the pillows. 1 and 2, make sure they're nice and fluffed up, and they're ready to go, and that's how you make a bed.